Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we'll be doing another lead code problem 148 sort list. This is the medium one. Given the head of the linked list, return the list after sorting it is in ascending order. So this is just a sorting problem. We'll be performing merge sort, in which we will just break down things to this very lowest level. For example, this linked list is going to be broken down in two paths, left and right. Then we are going to have two nodes on the left, two nodes on the right. Then these two nodes, these two basically separate linked lists, because we are going to break the link between this two and one. These two linked lists are going to be broken down into further nodes, which is 4 will be the separate node, 2 will be the separate node, 1 will be the separate node, and 3 is going to be the separate node. And then we will just arrange them or merge them in a sorted fashion. So that's it. So so if there is not a head, or head.next is null, which will be just not head, we will just say return the head. So this will just get rid of our recursive calls. And then we have to find the left. So left will be just the head, and right we have to find. So self dot get mid, you can say, will have the head. Okay, so now we will just store right dot next in a temp. So right dot next will be stored in a temp, and we will say right dot next should point to none. It should be none, because we have to make separate linked lists. This two should not point to, will be should not be pointing to this one, because they are going to be two separate linked lists. 4 2 is going to be a separate linked list, and then 1 3 is going to be a separate linked list. And then after that, 4 is going to be a single node, and 2, so does 1 and 3. Then right should be updated by, we can just say right is equal to 10, because right dot next is equal to uh, right dot next will be at the place of temp. Now we will have a left, which will just call the function recursively and say sort list, passing it the left obviously, and right self dot sort list, passing it the right. Okay, now we have to merge. So we can just say return self dot merge list, passing it the left, because we are going to merge left and right. Now we have to implement the get mid method, get mid, which will have head. Okay, so how we are going to find the mid? So it goes like, if we have a slow pointer and a fast pointer, head dot next. Okay, so while fast is not null and fast dot next is not null, we update our slow pointer one node at a time, and our fast pointer hits two nodes at a time. So fast dot next is equal to fast dot next. Then we can just return the slow. Okay, so now we have to implement the merge list method. So merge list will be having left and right. Obviously they are going to be list nodes, and they are going to return a list node. So we are going to have a dummy pointer, a node before the head of the linked list. So current will be at a point of dummy. So while we have something in our left alongside right, they both have something in it, we will say if left dot val is less than right dot val, then we are going to swap. So left should, current dot next should point to left. Okay, then we have to update the left. So left should point to left dot next, and this is going to be the case with the right one. So current dot next should point to right, and then right should be updated. So right is equal to right dot next. Okay, now we have to just update our current. current. Okay. Now if there is something in left in our left or right, we just have to put it at the very end, and else current dot next should point to right. After that we can just return dummy dot next. Let's see if this works, and then I hope this works, and this works. Let's submit it. This works, and if you have any kind of questions you can ask them in the comments.